Hello everyone, and today we are looking at the stylish Garden for You nesting coffee table set. This unique two-piece set features a large table and a smaller one that tucks underneath easily. The rustic brown wood and vintage design bring an elegant and minimalist charm to any living room. Adjustable non-slip foot pads ensure these tables stay stable on wood, tile, or even concrete floor surfaces. Every piece is built with a sturdy metal frame and scratch-resistant boards for high-quality lasting use. The thoughtful design follows ergonomic principles to create a cozy space for your afternoon coffee breaks. These space-saving tables are the perfect addition to your bedroom, cabin, or small apartment home layout. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.